In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a lead intake form in HoneyBook. Easy Setup 2026. By the end, you'll have a simple, professional form ready to capture inquiries and route them straight into your HoneyBook pipeline. Start by opening your browser and going to honeybook.com. This is the home base for your account and where you'll build the form. If you're already logged in, you'll be taken straight to your workspace. If not, sign into your HoneyBook account using your usual credentials. If HoneyBook asks for a verification code or any security check, go ahead and complete that so you can proceed safely. Once you're in, you'll land on your dashboard. This page gives you a snapshot of recent activity, but for today, focus your attention on the left-hand sidebar. That sidebar is your main navigation in HoneyBook, and it's where you'll find everything from projects to settings. In the sidebar, click Leads. This area is designed to help you manage new inquiries and potential clients. Inside the Leads section, look for Lead Forms and select it. Lead forms are what you'll share on your website or social profiles, or send directly to prospects to collect the information you need upfront. Next, click Create New in the top right corner. This opens the setup flow for your new form. If you're prompted to name the form, choose something clear and specific so you can find it easily later, like Wedding Inquiry Form or Discovery Call Intake. Now you'll choose a form type. HoneyBook offers ready-made options such as one-time consultation, introductory call, inquiry form, instant booking, speaking engagement, partnership form, mini session, VIP day, and digital product. Pick the template that best matches how you work. For example, an inquiry form is great for general leads, while instant booking is helpful if you want people to grab a time on your calendar right away. After selecting the type, click Edit Form to open the form editor. In the editor, tailor the fields to what you actually need. Keep it concise to reduce drop-off, but make key fields required, like name, email, and a brief project description. Use clear labels and short helper text if something might be confusing. Match your branding with a consistent title and simple styling, and preview on mobile to ensure it looks good on small screens. When you're satisfied, save your changes and publish if prompted. That's it. Your lead intake form is now set up in HoneyBook and ready to capture high-quality inquiries with less back and forth.